When kids are scared of the doctor, even simple checkups can mean major meltdowns. Here are some tips to help your family's next visit go more smoothly. Be clear about what's going to happen at the appointment. Talk your kids through each step. Dr. Bing will measure how tall you are and be honest. Kids who aren't expecting a shot and get one are more likely to be upset than those who have already had time to prepare. Having fun things to do and look forward to can help too. Before you go, let kids choose a favorite game or book to play within the waiting room, and make a plan to get a treat after it's done. Give your child a chance to ask questions and share their feelings. For example, you could say, "Let's go over everything that's going to happen tomorrow. Stop me when we get to something that sounds scary, and then we can find a way to make it less scary." And don't brush away your kids' worries. Instead, let them know that feeling nervous is normal. Even grown ups feel scared about going to the doctor sometimes. It's also important not to let your own anxiety affect your child. If you are worried or have questions, ask to speak to a doctor privately while your child is getting checked in. At the appointment, tell the doctor about what has and hasn't helped your child stay calm in the past. For example, he really enjoyed bringing your helper last time. Could you do that again? Or, I don't think he liked holding the stethoscope. Could we try something different this time? With practice, your child will get more comfortable going to the doctor. Going to the doctor may never become something your child enjoys, but it's a necessary part of staying healthy throughout his life, helping him develop the tools and resilience he needs to manage his anxiety or make future visits less stressful for everyone involved. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'm Chuyan Liu, a clinical social worker at the Child Mind Institute. To learn more about anxiety disorders, visit childmind.org/anxiety support. There you will find everything you need to know about anxiety treatment at the Child Mind Institute, plus hundreds of articles and guides to help you support children who are struggling with mental health, behavior, or learning challenges.